Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Sunday reset. This is a routine that I like to do just to prep me for the upcoming week. It's a day to relax, to self-care, and plan ahead, organize, and get myself all ready for the upcoming week. So I start out by lighting a candle. It is a must to make my bed, just tidy up this entire area, and then I just put the pillows, fluff them up, and put my blanket, and my bed is all good to go. And then I head straight over to my coffee machine. I literally dream of this every night. I'm not even exaggerating. I love making my morning coffee. Just the routine of it and everything is my favorite. So today I'm taking my Nespresso pumpkin spice pod and I am making a little hot coffee. I'm going to be doing my almond milk in the frother as well as this almond milk creamer that is pumpkin flavored as well. And we're just doing a little bit of that. Making the coffee. This makes me all ready for the day. I just go ahead and prep what I'm going to plan for that day particularly, and then I'll plan for the week later on. Today was definitely a hair wash day, so I went straight in for a shower first thing in the morning, just lathering up the shampoo. It feels so good, a really nice hot shower in the morning. You cannot beat it. And I'm just going to wash my body as well. Just feels amazing. So right out of the shower is when I like to apply my body care. I'm using the Osea Undaria Algae Body Oil. This video is also in partnership with Osea Malibu, so thank you so much for partnering with me on this video. Body oils to me are a must. It makes my skin so glowy, obviously, but feels incredible. And this particular one is amazing. It smells great. It's also infused with seaweed, so it's just really healthy and nourishing on the skin. It has naturally derived ingredients, it's vegan, cruelty-free, climate neutral, and it just leaves my skin literally not greasy at all, but giving that beautiful, healthy glow. And of course, I love to drink a lot of water, which is going to make you glow from the inside out, but I feel like this product literally looks like you're glowing from the inside out. So it is just incredible and it smells so good. I start out by applying this all over my legs and then I of course put it on my entire body. As we start getting into more of the colder months, this is a beautiful combination for your skin. I think it's so hydrating, and if you use the code BRII Osea, you're able to save 10%, so I would highly recommend. I will have everything for you in the description box like always. So I also like to make my own little body care cocktail. I'll go in with the Osea body butter, which is so incredible. It literally is so rich and hydrating and is gorgeous to pair on top of the glow because it just sinks into the skin once more and gives you double hydration. I absolutely love this, and this combination is just wonders for the skin. It feels so incredible, and when I go about my day, it's not going to be transferring on my clothes or feeling greasy. It's just gorgeous. It feels great. Look at that glow. And all you really need of this is just 1 to 2 pumps. A little bit goes a long way, and it literally sinks right into the body. Then as for my skincare routine, I've already done that right out of the shower. Taking my Osea Hyaluronic Serum to go right over top on my skin. Feels so incredible. It's like a gel base. Super supple on my skin, very, very hydrating, and such a stunning glow. I apply it on my face and all the way down to my neck and chest. And then I'll lock all of that in with the Osea Seabotitic Water Cream. This is so great. It's like an intense moisturizer, but very lightweight and feels so incredible. So both these products together, again, are the most beautiful combo, and my skin loves it. So I'll have all of the Osea products listed for you in the description box. So I drink water all throughout the day. I usually just fill up my big water jug a few times, but today I just wanted to have some lemon water, so I put a few lemons into here. Super refreshing. I love it. It's actually one of my favorite things to drink. And then I just put the rest of the lemons into this reusable bag right into the fridge. I like to go ahead and start planning out my upcoming week. This is a major part of my Sunday reset, I guess you can say. I'm always writing notes for myself. I'm a big note taker, and to-do list and sticky notes everywhere. I literally write down everything. I like to just cross everything off the list. So I just put on some meditation music and start planning my week. So whether it's work related or not work related, I write everything down in my planner, take notes, put sticky notes everywhere. This is pretty much the time for myself where I like to just get in that zone, listen to some music, maybe respond to some emails. On the weekends, I like to head to Trader Joe's just to pick up some last minute fruits and vegetables and anything else that Trader Joe's tells me that I need. So I got some pumpkin things as well as some raspberries, vegetables, and I just absolutely adore Trader Joe's, so had to make a little stop. And of course, had to get some fresh flowers for a fresh week. I absolutely love Trader Joe's flowers. Do not sleep on them. Then I head home. I'm just going to restock up the fridge. Love these clear organizers. I just kind of take out old things that I didn't need anymore or went bad, and then just restocked it with the things that I did purchase. I think I got them from Walmart, and yeah, just kind of reorganizing the fridge just a bit. Also, who else can watch organizing fridge videos for hours? Like, there's just something about it that it just makes me so happy. Clear organizers, yes. Just got a few of these little grocery items, gonna put them away, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the flowers and put them in this vase. I absolutely love the colorway of these flowers. I was blown away. To me, it just screamed fall, but also it's like cute roses, I don't know. I love them, so I'm just gonna take them, put them in here, and then I'm also gonna bring them into my room later. So I of course ate breakfast this day. I don't think I filmed that part, but I am just making a little green juice smoothie right here. This is after my little Trader Joe's trip. I couldn't resist. I just like to use some spinach, water, ice, a little bit of pineapple, a little bit of green apple, blend it up, and you have the most perfect little green juice smoothie. I absolutely love green juice smoothies, or just smoothies in general. I feel like they're a great little snack. Also, a great pick-me-up. I feel like I would reach for a second coffee, so this is a great alternative. Of course, cleaned up my mess and had to clean up the kitchen just a little bit. Then I went ahead and moved the fresh flowers into my bedroom, and I just love the vibe. I'm not sure if it's the Virgo in me, but I love to restock. Any chance I get, I love to do it. So here I am just restocking a little bit of my bath bombs into this large jar, and I love to keep this into my bathroom. I love that it's like easy reach and it looks cute. So just restocking those, and then I'm going in with these cotton pads just to restock for my little skincare shelf with my little gua sha behind it. Also restocking these towels for the bathroom. I just roll up a few and put it into this little wicker basket, and that's all I really restocked for this day. Sometimes I'll restock like my skincare shelf or clean off the skincare shelf, or honestly organizing makeup, but today we just kept it super simple. Then to unwind for the rest of the night, I went in and took a body shower as well as a little bubble bath. That is why the towel was on my head so my hair didn't get all wet again. And then I'm doing a face mask just to relax. I also had a really nice Sunday dinner with the family. I'm Italian, so my mom makes an amazing Italian dish. I'm gonna watch some TV and call it a night. That's pretty much my reset routine, just to reset myself for the upcoming week, keeping things super calm and relaxing, but also productive. Hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will have everything for you listed below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope you have the best week ahead. Bye.